So, hello, in this video we will be talking about the addition and subtraction of matrices. So basically the addition and subtraction of matrices is quite simple. It is just looking at the rows and columns and adding and or subtracting them. So as you can see, I have color coded the first problem on here to show you. This is a 2x2 matrice and a 2x2 matrice. So that means we can add them together. That is one of the big main rules we will be going over in this video. So in the first row of the first column, we have 5. First row of the first column of the second matrice, 3. We will add these together to get 8, as you can see I've highlighted. This will then apply for the other numbers. So 4 plus 2 is 6, 1 plus 4 is 5, and 4 plus 3 is 7. As you can see, this is done in all of them. I've highlighted them and color coded them. I especially recommend this if you're new to the process. It will make it a lot easier for you to see them and where these numbers are coming from. As you can see, they're all in the same space that the other numbers originally started out with. So, as I mentioned earlier, these are both 2x2 matrices, so we can add them together. This, however, is a 2x1 matrice and a 2x2 matrice. So you might be wondering what this means. This means that you cannot add them together because they are different amounts of rows and columns, and that would make it very, very difficult to add and subtract. So that is not something you will be doing. Next, we're going to be going over subtraction matrices, which is also quite simple. It is very easy. So, of course, it is just the same process as addition, but you're going to be doing it with a subtraction sign now. So 2 minus 1 is, 2 minus 3 is negative 1. 3 minus 2 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0, and 3 minus 1 is 2. As you can see, I've color-coded them with the highlighter so that it is easier to see. Maybe a little bit difficult to see this one with the green. I hope that's a little bit better. And then our second example problem for this method, 4 minus 2 is 2. 3 minus 1 is 2. 5 minus 2 is 3, and 4 minus 3 is 1. So, overall in this video, we have learned how to add and subtract matrices. We have also learned that one of the big rules is that the matrices must be the same size to add and subtract. So we cannot have, that's a terrible color to use, I'm sorry for that. We cannot have a 2x1 matrice add to a 2x2 matrice. That is a big no. We cannot do that, but we can add and subtract a 2x2 matrice because they have the same amount of rows and columns.